Hey everybody, how's it going? I'm Mike Morris. I work with the Wyoming Department of Environmental Quality, and I'm also the director of the Fridays in the Asher Music and Art Series here in Cheyenne. And this series is sort of one of numerous music festivals that happens throughout the year on a recurring basis. Fridays in the Asher is a winter and spring concentrated festival. But what's really awesome to me about Cheyenne is that it's such a hands-on place. If you want to be involved, if you want to make an impact, you have so many outlets and so many capacities in which to do that. We have festivals like Rock the Block that the Downtown Development Authority puts on. We have Edgefest, which Warehouse 21 puts on with a lot of partners. We have Fridays on the Plaza that Wyoming Tribune Eagle helps sponsor. There's so much good live music, and of course Keith at Early November. You guys already have heard from him, but man, what an awesome person and institution in Cheyenne. And really, there's a lot more going on in this town as far as linking people up and providing social ambience than you would ever imagine. And, Fridays in the Asher is just one great example, and it's been such a cool success story. So, that's sort of one of my favorite aspects of Cheyenne.